What's up? It's Matt. Welcome back to Taco Potato Mustang. I got a couple things in the mail yesterday and today, so pretty excited about that. I just got a battery charger or a battery tender, which is currently on the battery for the Fox body. So hopefully we can get that started today. And also I got a 415 kit, which is going to help me in my quest to defeat the rust on the Fox body. So pretty excited about that. Also, I got my oil drain pan so that I can do an oil change on the Mustang, on the Coyote Mustang. Actually, try not to judge me too hard, but this will be the first time I've ever actually changed the oil on this car. I used to change my oil on the LS1 Trans Am that I had many years ago, and I've done like other maintenance and modifications to the Mustang, but I've never actually changed the oil. For the longest time, I usually just took it to the dealer and had that done there. And now, you know, being a responsible quarantined person, I'm gonna go ahead and do the oil change myself. I have the car up on Rhino ramps, and actually, since my car is lowered, I had to use some wood planks to get it up safely onto the ramps. Disregard the dusty engine. I'm gonna take this off, leave it here. So there's a plastic cover that you're supposed to remove for oil service, and I'm using a ratchet with an 8mm socket. One video that I saw said it was a 9mm, and another video that I saw said it was a 7mm, but for mine it's an 8mm. I don't know if there's like a difference between the years, but so once you get those screws, you can pull the plastic piece down and you can see the oil filter, where we'll get to that in a second. Got a little bit of a mess on my gloves, but got the oil draining. Exciting. Gonna hit the drain plug with a little brake clean. Now I'm going to put the plug back in. I think that's probably tight enough. Don't want to get this stripped. I've made a cardboard slip and slide. There's the filter. And I've moved the oil drain pan over here, and I'm hoping that I can catch most of the extra oil in the drain pan and not get it all over the plastic guard or anything else on the engine bay. We'll see if this works out. Hopefully whoever tightened this last time didn't use a oil filter wrench. Otherwise, this is going to be a huge pain in the ass. So that mostly worked, I think. There's my old filter and my shiny new one. So fancy. We're getting a visit from Lady. Okay, bye, Lady. Lady is our foster dog, soon to be adopted dog, who is pregnant with puppies that will be coming any day now. Lady. Lady. She's a little bit shy. Lady, come here. Lady is a Norwegian elk hound. She's very sweet. Hey, don't lick the oil, please. Psst. Lady. Nope. Good girl. There is the new oil filter. Woohoo! So exciting. Now we're gonna put 8 quarts of 5W20 oil in. Now I'm going to get the plastic cover thing just back in place and start the car to check to make sure there's no leaks, and then get it onto a level surface and check the oil. So I can't get a really good read on the dipstick, so I'm going to drive around the block, get the oil warmed up a little bit, and then let it sit for a few minutes and check again. Hopefully I can get a better read then. So while I'm waiting for the dude's thing to cool down, I wanted to do a quick check on something regarding the battery for the Fox body. So a YouTube commenter named Jarrett Toronto, I gotta give him a shout out because he noticed in my first Fox body video that there was these clips on the sun visors, and he said that an issue that he had with his battery was that the lights, the vanity lights on the sun visors were staying on, they were draining the battery. And I remembered that when I was looking at my sun visors while I was doing something else inside the car, I noticed that the light was on, though there was tape over the button, which is supposed to, when the mirror cover closes, it's supposed to turn off the light. So that's one option, and I'm gonna see if the battery that I've been charging, if I just throw it back in and see if the Fox body will start up. Also, I removed the, hang on. I removed the sun visors. As you can see, it's a little bit rough looking. This is the button that is supposed to turn the light off. There was some black electrical tape on that. I pulled it off. Just checked the oil on the dude's thing. We're good to go. First oil change successful. Let's see. Okay, dome light is on. That's a good sign. Note the missing sun visors. Here comes the test. I guess maybe I can jump start it with the dude's thing now. Exciting! So I started the car up, turned it off, was able to start it again. And then the second time I turned it off, just now, I was not able to start it. It gets a little bit of juice, but it's kind of similar to what happened when I first put the battery in and tried to start it again. So, I mean, it's okay. I'm just glad I was able to start it at least once today. And I'm going to need to take the battery out anyway so I can work on some of the rust. And then once I get the rust issue taken care of, I'm going to put the battery back in, and then we'll see what we need to do as far as jump starting it. Anyways, reasonably successful day. Changed the oil in the dude's thing. Got the battery charged partially for the Fox body and got it to run for a few minutes. So anyways, great success on a Saturday. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel and you like my video, please subscribe. Anyways, take care, stay safe, be healthy. Peace out.